Lea wai foi ke o longo le mangsinga sa faolo. Wai foi le banga le ofer kau kai maka pala pala. A walo le mafuani. Lea wa kalanga pasinga ai kai au silfainga. Lea wa mapu e ngai kia sa. Ai langa ngaru fure fa. Wali lingo le fonga kia. Pa uko au mafua malu. I le fio mai la wo fionga. Le ampasal malo kele ya pang. Lea wa ri kai au langa fionga le mamalu malo Samoa. Al ko wong kong or ngai kai au silfai. Le wa mako suia vai. Mai amma vai vai. Ave le fu mar fau. Ipu markango ausi. Wa o le fa soso. Wa! Wa usile ava fa soso. Aku rai sai soli ana firma oka. Kau ke nei pola wa fionga. Yang pasal malo ya pang.
Thank you very much. For the health of the head of His Highness, Head of State of the Independent State of Samoa, and also to the health of His Majesty the Emperor Naruhito of Japan.
Yeah.
Yeah, Manuia. Thank you.
Kau ke le ipu. La wo fionga sui ofisili. Kangal wengal vai fafu. Oh, mo kong mo kibar pau kango. Ai kau ke le ipu la wo fionga. Le fai lau kusi o le ama malu o malo Samoa.
Ya, alon nei le pua. Ya, kamo mau kamua le la au se pua. Ia ngai ko le pua ka ko se la ni kai. Tona le mpasa ko mua le bana. Ya, ko i peli no le pua, e uia ka ko pai au.
Ia.
Lawa fionga tino li anu na le tosa na le lua. Lawa fionga masioka. I have the honor to introduce to you His Excellency Mr. Senta Keisuke, Ambassador Designate of Japan to the Independent State of Samoa.
Our Fioga ile au ole malo. I have the honor to present to you the letter of credits appointing me as Ambassador Designate to the Independent State of Samoa. I also have the honor to present to you the letter of recall of my predecessor. Fioga ile au ole malo, Tuimaleavi Fano Vaaletua Swaravi Lelua, the head of state of the independent state of Samoa. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a great honor and pleasure to present my credentials which address me as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of Japan to the independent state of Samoa. To Afioga ile au ole malo, Tuimaleavi Fano, the head of state of the independent state of Samoa. I also have the honor to present the letter of recall for my predecessor. Our two countries established diplomatic relations in 1973, and I am very pleased to witness that Japan and Samoa have enjoyed a firm and excellent friendships since then. The government and people of Japan attach great importance to further strengthening the relationship with Samoa for mutual benefits of both countries and for peace, stability, and prosperity in the Asia-Pacific region and the world. Afioga ile au ole malo. Before departing Japan, the Emperor of Japan, His Majesty Naruhito, has personally entrusted me to convey to Afioga ile au ole malo, Tuimaleavi Fano, the head of state of the independent state of Samoa, that His Majesty desires to maintain and promote the relations of sincere friendship and good accord between Japan and the independent state of Samoa. I, as the Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of Japan, will not fail to fulfill my important mission, and I will make all my efforts to promote the friendship and cooperation between our two countries. I trust I can count on your support as well as that of your government in this endeavor. May I conclude by expressing my deepest respect and best wishes for good health for you and your Masiofo, and wishing peace, progress, and prosperity for the government and the peoples of Samoa. I thank you. Soifua Maia Maneia.
Excellency, I am pleased to receive your letters of credence accrediting you as the Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of Japan to the independent state of Samoa. I also acknowledge the presentation of the letter of recall for your predecessor. I express my sincere appreciation for the kind message from His Majesty Emperor Naruhito, and I echo the sentiments of promoting and strengthening friendship and meaningful relations between our two countries. I ask that you convey my best wishes for the good health and well-being of His Majesty. Excellency, this year marks 49 years since the establishment of diplomatic relations between Samoa and Japan, and our friendship and relations have developed into a close, enduring, and mutually beneficial partnership. Japan is a valued development partner for Samoa. Most notable is Japan's unwavering commitment to support Samoa's sustainable development efforts through various collaborations and technical development cooperation in the sectors of health, education, infrastructure, environment, cultural, and people-to-people links. In a multilateral setting, Samoa has lent its support to the nominated candidatures of Japan for various elections at the United Nations and for prominent positions at various international organizations. I trust that your tenure as Ambassador of Japan to Samoa will build on the existing strong foundation of extensive areas of collaboration to strengthen our relations. Your Excellency, I wish you an enjoyable and successful tenure as Ambassador of Japan in Samoa. Soifu, welcome to Samoa.